was just very traumatic. I mean, when you walk through and everything you own is covered in soot and you don't know what's going to be salvageable, what's not, and just looking at what the next year is going to hold for you trying to put it all back together is a little scary. So I don't know, the whole team at Swartz and Randy came in right away and made us feel like we had an advocate that was going to help fight for us to get everything back to normal as quickly as possible, and they absolutely did that. Well, I hoped it could. There was not a lot of actual fire damage. We had a significant amount of smoke damage, and so the fire was really held primarily to the basement, but we've got a big home, and it's still the entire thing. There was not an inch of it where you touch anything and you were covered in black. And it's just amazing how all that creeps through your entire home, the insulation and things you wouldn't even think about. That I give a lot of credit to Swartz to help figure that stuff out. I feel like they have that knowledge to help pull in that aspect of it where your average contractor may not know that we need to tear this wall out because we need to figure out what's behind it. You guys did that. So one of Randy's promises when he first came in was that he guaranteed me when I got back into it, you could not tell, you would not smell smoke, you would not see any of this stuff, and my house smells like a brand new home when you walk in here, and that's because of what you guys did. Really just the initial meeting when Randy came in and talked to us was what put me more at ease that this was all going to come together the way it should. He made it very clear that he was here for me, working for us, not for the insurance company, that he was going to fight to make sure that what needed to be done to our home to make it right was going to be done. Get organized real quick because the documentation side of things for the insurance, you've got all these different contractors that are pulled in and people taking furniture, people taking clothes, trying to salvage all these different things. Just to document all that, that was a full-time job, and my wife probably has hundreds of hours just logging stuff in on Excel spreadsheets and to send to our insurance company to try to just account for everything. And when you have a big home, and especially we've been married 30 years, so we had a lot of stuff, and just to document all that it's significant. Get good contractors because they make it all easy.